Hello everyone. So welcome to the video where we will try and solve the definition of reading a string from the user and replacing all the occurrences of A with E. So let us create a few variables. The first variable is the str variable in which we are going to fetch the value of the first text box. So we are supposed to take out the second text box from the previous definition, and I'm going to call it as txt1. So from the first text box, I'll fetch the string and I will need one more variable in which I'm going to store in the replaced string. And apart from that, we will be writing a loop. So I need the counter variable. So let us start with the loop. Now I am going to start my counting from 0. So when it enters the loop, it is 0th time, and when the replacement is done, I changes to 1. So we will go ahead and use I as 0. Now there is no stopping condition because during the loop, when the replacement, that is the old string and the replaced strings, both are same, that means there is no further replacement, so we will stop. So I'm not going to write in the stopping condition. And after every loop, I'm going to add in 1 to the counter. So we will increment it. So let us write our logic. So the first thing we will do is I'm going to take in the new variable will be equal to. Now I'm using the replace method. So what do we want to replace? A. With what? E. Now replace has an inherent working that it will replace only the first occurrence of A with E. And that is the reason I've written it inside the for loop. So once this replacement is done, we will first check whether the original string is same as the new string with replacement of or not. So if the original string and the replaced string, if they are same, that means no replacement took place. That means no further replacements will take place. So we will break out of the loop. Now, if at all they are not same, then what we will do is I will shift this new string, that is str1, into the old string, so that once again the logic starts when it starts from here again, then str is the new string from the previous replacement, and in that new string we will replace A with E. So I will have the next new replaced string. So this is an important logic. So after we are done with this, you can come out of the loop and you can just print the replaced string, which would be uh, there in str1. So you can go ahead and do that, or you can just have a str equal to, in fact you can take str also, because if after this last assignment, if there was no replacement, then the original string and the new string would remain same. So I can go ahead and print str or str1, it's your choice. And if you want to print how many times replacement took place, I can just go ahead and print in the value of I. So that will tell me how many times replacement took place. So let us give it a try here. So for the string, okay, there are three A's which I want to have replaced by the character E. So it shows me the new string where the A's are replaced by E, and it also tells me that there are three replacements. So that's the first replacement, the second replacement, and the third replacement. Now what happens if we do not enter a string with A? Okay, so in this situation it prints the original string and it says zero replacements, right? So go ahead and try this, and in the next video I'll show the solution to the same definition using a new method, a little shorter than this method.